Beyond Basic, second week of class. Students are working on their vehicles, rewiring them, upgrading their powers and grounds, installing head units, new speakers and equipment. Some of the guys actually have quite a bit to do, have quite a bit in their cars already. This is Juan's car. He's already resoldered the head unit. He's had some speakers that were pre-installed into his car before. And this is some equipment that he's rewiring. These guys over here look like they got this car torn apart. What are you guys doing?
Put some door speakers in.
6x9s. And then
installing some 6x9s.
Yeah, 6.5.
Looks like running some speaker wire, some power wire, RCAs. Quite a bit of stuff going on here in this one. And this vehicle, this is another one of the students' vehicles. It's Cole's truck. Cole is actually a blow-through. Got some power base amps in here. Radio. It's actually got a big bank of batteries in the back. He's actually working on upgrading right now.
That's fucking bullshit, dude.
Never be the same size before.
3 different ones.
Got Eli here rewiring his navigation unit.
Tell them we're working hard and hardly working.
It's our student show car. That's a CES show car. And that was that's another show car that's on premise here. Student's car that's done. Had the opportunity to he installed a hardwired his cigarette lighter, turn on multiple pieces in the back there, rewired his head unit, upgraded his grounds. What'd you do today?
Resoldered the head unit, ran power wires, ran RCAs, ran the remote wire, and the ground. That's all I've done.
Alright. So the students spend 2 days. This is the first of 2 days that they get to work on their cars and wire them up.